welcome back. I'm so excited to be back. So today I wanted to show you guys how I recreated this set. It was a custom set, and I used a lot of different colors, so I'm really excited to show you guys how I did it. So the first one was Camo Rosa and then Makeup Skin, and these are both by Medusa gel polishes. I love their pot gels. And then we used that golden shadow and then the 002. I will have everything linked down below as well, just so you guys can have easy links or whatever. So the first one I'm going to use is the Camo Rosa, and it's more of like a peachy color, and that one it's kind of gonna be an ombre type feel, but yeah, you'll see as I go. It looks really light at first, and then I start to add on the layers and it all starts to come together. But honestly, this was one of those sets where it did not come together until the very end. Like for a long or not a long time, but for most of the set I was like, is this gonna work out the way I wanted it? I didn't know. So yeah, this was just like kind of a trial, like experiment, and it all worked out perfect, and they came out so cute. So I have the finished product at the very end, and then you guys can see what it looked like. You guys will know exactly what colors I used, the process I used, and all of that. So now I'm going to be using the Makeup Skin. It's a darker nude color, and I'm going to be using that at the tip just to make it like an ombre. And if you look back in the picture, it does look like the tip has like a darker color to it. So I just made it as close as possible to what I could do, and yeah, so just watch. And honestly, for this ombre, I'm not too worried about it being like perfect or anything like that, because we are going to add glitter and rhinestones or gems. So I'm not too worried about it, being a perfect ombre or anything like that. I just want it to have, a lighter area at the cuticle, and then go down to a darker area at the tip, just like the picture. So now I'm gonna go in with the first glitter, and it's more of like a gold, like peachy color, and it's actually called Golden Crown. not golden shadow like I said in the beginning, but I will have it linked down below so that way you guys can find it easy. So I'm just gonna go at the tip right here, and I'm going to ombre that up, just like I did the other color, just to add, you know, some glitter to it. So that is what it was looking like, and I just want the tip to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to repeat the process and then ombre that up again. Okay, so I am super happy with how it is looking so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this blush pink, because in the picture it's not so like peachy, it's more of a pink color, and I kind of want to blend that ombre a little bit better, and I want the cuticle area to look a little bit more pink rather than like peach. So yeah, this is my favorite color for like a what's it called, like a base color, or a, yeah, like a base color. But yeah, it's one of my favorite pinks. It's called blush pink, and it's just, it looks so natural. Like already you can see that it is blending it so nice, and you can still see the glitter under, and you can still see that like ombre that we did. So I'm not messing anything up. I am simply just adding that to make it blend better without using, you know, any other blending things like a blending, like a brush or a sponge or the airbrush. I'm just using that pink color. Okay, so now that I have cured that, I'm gonna go in with one more coat of the blush pink just to make it a little bit more pink, and then make it a little bit darker at the tip again. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with one of my absolute favorite glitters. It's 002 by EnailCoture. I have not found a like gold iridescent glitter like this one yet, and trust me, I have looked but I can't find one. So this is probably like my fourth or fifth bottle of this, and you have to buy them in a 3-pack, I think. So I do have like so many of the other colors because I don't use them as much, but I do like, I love this one. So if you're looking for a really pretty golden iridescent like glitter top coat, this is the one. It is perfect, and people always ask what glitter I use. It's this one. It's just so perfect. It's so pretty. Yeah, get it. Okay, so I was trying to show you guys up close, but my camera would not focus. I don't know, like the sun and the natural lighting was just not working with me. Like if you guys could see through this video, it was getting lighter and darker, and it's just the natural lighting. But so I'm gonna go in with the Beetles top coat. It is a thicker top coat, so it's perfect when you're using glitters, if you're doing ombres, anything like that. It's gonna smooth it all out and make it look perfect. But I am also going to buff this after I do the top coat, because I just want to make it super smooth. I want to fix the shape because the shape messed up on a couple of them, so I just want to perfect it. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the rhinestones. This was my first time using these rhinestones. They are like a clear Aurora rhinestone. I don't know, I got them off Amazon. I will link them, and then you guys can get those as well. They had like 5 different options, like an AB Aura, a golden Aura. I don't know, it was like a whole bunch of different ones, but I think I ended up going with the golden ones. I'll link it down below to show you guys which ones I went with. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with the top coat and then buff, and then I will be back to show you guys how I did the rhinestones. Okay, so here's a little bit of a better view. Trust me, I got better pictures at the very end with low lighting so you guys could see it all. It looks so pretty. So I buffed most of them off of camera. I'm going to show you guys really quick on this pinky how I perfected the shape. I went in around the sides with my file, and then I re-rounded it because it was a almond shape, and then I went in and I buffed it, and that is it. Okay guys, so I did this one off camera just so that I can show you guys what we're going to be doing and how they turned out. They are so pretty. Like, camera does not do justice. Wait till you guys see the low lighting. I wish you guys could see them in person. But anyway, The way I like to do stones, if I'm doing like a lot of stones or stones on every nail, is I will lay them out first, so that way I know exactly what I'm doing on which nail, and it makes the process a little bit faster instead of having to get them out for each and every nail. I just dump a whole bunch out, get the ones that I want, set them to how I want them to go on the nail, and then just place them. And I am using, of course, Zule Bling adhesive to adhere these, and then I'm going to go in with a nice thick top coat to make sure I secure them. I am not going to be putting the top coat on top of the rhinestones because then it's just going to mess up the shine that they have. So I will be just going around them and locking them into place, and that is it. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, subscribing, waiting. I did have my baby. She is 9 weeks old. She's actually going to be 10 weeks when this video goes out on Friday, and she has just been a dream. I have been in like baby dreamland, and I am so excited to be back to posting consistent videos. I am going to start out with every Friday for the months of April and May, just to get caught up and start filming like everything for you guys. I have so much content and so many videos coming. So just stay tuned for that, and then starting June I will be back to posting 2 times a week, hoping eventually to get up to like 3 times a week, but we'll see. We are gonna see. Right now we are just going 1 time a week. Every Friday I will have a new video, whether it is a tutorial, a must-haves video, I kind of want to do a nail room tour. I don't know yet. I'm still like cleaning it, and I don't know if I should film like me organizing it. Would you guys want to see that? I don't know. I have so much stuff, and yeah, I don't know. Let me know down below in like the comments and stuff what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I have another tutorial coming next week, and it is just what is it? I don't even remember. Oh, it's an ombre, and I use pigments and stuff to create the pink. It came out so pretty. But anyways, here is the end of the video. This is the low lighting that I got. These stones are so pretty. So I will definitely have everything linked down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back next week. Bye guys.